Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your payment method was declined. So guys, if you are facing this problem but you don't know that how can you fix this issue, so guys, today in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to just simply open the settings, and then you have to make sure that you have an active internet connection, and then you have to just simply go back and then tap on general and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to make sure that your country or region is correct. So guys, select your country, region, and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply go to the content and prices section. So simply tap on screen time, scroll down and then tap on content and prices section and turn this toggle off. After turning it off, guys, check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply sign out your Apple ID for one time, and after that guys, you have to just simply restart your iPhone and after that sign in again, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If still your problem not fixed, then you have to just simply contact to the Apple support team and they will fix your problem. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.